Which animal can regenerate parts of its body, such as its tail? Lizard. What color is a panda's fur? Black and white. Which animal is known for having 3 hearts? Octopus. What animal has the longest gestation period? Elephant. Which bird can rotate its head 270 degrees? Owl. Which animal is known for its large ears and excellent hearing? Elephant. Which bird is known for its beautiful singing? Canary. Which animal is known for its ink defense? Octopus. Comment your correct answers, like, and follow for continuous updates.